What if I told you that you could be earning an extra $500, even $1,000 every single week right from your living room without needing a single dime for fancy software or years of experience? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how. We're diving deep into the world of free AI tools, specifically ChatGPT and MidJourney. And I'll reveal a simple, step-by-step workflow that even a complete beginner can use to generate consistent freelance income. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turning these incredible technologies into your personal money-making machine. Stay tuned, because your financial freedom starts now. Welcome, future AI-powered freelancers. My name is the AI Dollar, and on this channel, we're all about empowering you to build income and achieve financial freedom. The world is changing rapidly, and artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of that change. But here's the exciting part. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge budget to leverage it. In fact, some of the most powerful AI tools are completely free, and they're waiting for you to unlock their potential. Today, we're focusing on two game changers, ChatGPT for text-based tasks and MidJourney for stunning visuals. We're going to combine them to create high-demand freelance services that people are actively paying for right now on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Let's start with ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT as your personal writing assistant, idea generator, and research buddy, all rolled into one, available 24/7. It's a large language model developed by OpenAI, and the free version is incredibly powerful. You simply type in a question or a request, and it generates human-like text responses. How to access it? Just go to chat.openai.com and sign up for a free account. That's it! What can it do for freelancers? Write articles, blog posts, social media captions. Need content fast? ChatGPT can draft it for you. Brainstorm ideas, stuck on a client's project. Ask ChatGPT for creative solutions. Generate ad copy or product descriptions, perfect for e-commerce clients. Draft emails or sales pitches, professional communication in a snap. Even help with basic code or formulas. If a client needs a simple script, it can assist. The key is knowing how to talk to it. We call these prompts. The better your prompt, the better ChatGPT's response. Don't worry, I'll give you plenty of examples. Next up, we have MidJourney. While ChatGPT handles words, MidJourney handles visuals. It's an AI art generator that can create incredible images from text descriptions. From abstract art to realistic photos, logos, illustrations, you name it, MidJourney can attempt to create it. And yes, the free tier is generous enough to get you started. How to access it? MidJourney operates a little differently. You access it through an app called Discord. You'll need to create a free Discord account first, then join the MidJourney server. Don't be intimidated. It's simpler than it sounds. I'll include links to step-by-step guides in the description below. What can it do for freelancers? Create unique images for blog posts or social media. No more stock photo subscriptions. Design logos or brand elements. Clients often need quick visual assets. Generate concept art for games or products. Great for niche clients. Produce stunning album covers or book illustrations. Visuals are crucial in many industries. Generate textures or patterns for web design. Adds a unique touch. Just like ChatGPT, the magic with MidJourney lies in your prompts, the descriptive text you give it. We'll explore some powerful prompts together. The Synergistic Workflow, ChatGPT plus MidJourney combined. Now here's where the real power comes in, combining these two. Imagine ChatGPT as your brain and content factory, and MidJourney as your visual artist. Together they form an unstoppable creative team. Here's the general workflow. ChatGPT for ideas and content. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm service ideas, outline projects, or even draft the textual content for a client. ChatGPT for visual prompts. Take that content or idea and ask ChatGPT to generate specific, detailed prompts from MidJourney. This is crucial because crafting good MidJourney prompts can be tricky. MidJourney for visual creation. Input those prompts into MidJourney to generate the stunning visuals. Refine and deliver. Combine the text and visuals, make any minor adjustments, and deliver your professional grade work to your client. This synergy allows you to offer a much wider range of services, deliver faster, and command higher prices, all while keeping your expenses at zero. High-demand freelance services you can offer, with examples and prompts. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. What specific services can you offer using this powerful combo? Here are some of the most in-demand options, perfect for beginners. Service 1. AI-generated blog post and image packages. Description. Clients need engaging blog content with eye-catching visuals. You can deliver both. ChatGPT Workflow. Prompt example. Write a 500-word blog post about 5 benefits of morning routines for freelancers. Use a friendly, encouraging tone. Include a clear introduction and conclusion. ChatGPT generates text. MidJourney Workflow, using ChatGPT's output. Prompt ChatGPT. Generate 3 detailed MidJourney image prompts for a blog post about 5 benefits of morning routines for freelancers. Focus on visuals that represent productivity, calm, and fresh starts. Make them descriptive and include style elements. ChatGPT output examples. A serene morning scene with a freelancer meditating by a window, sunlight streaming in, soft natural light, minimalist desk, digital painting, calming atmosphere, high detail, R16:9. A vibrant flat lay of a perfectly organized freelancer's desk with a cup of coffee, a journal, and a laptop, showcasing efficiency, bright and clean aesthetic, top-down view, studio lighting, R16:9. Dynamic illustration of a freelancer leaping out of bed with energy, sun rising, depicting motivation and new beginnings, cartoon style, energetic colors, inspiring, R16.9. You feed these into MidJourney. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, direct outreach to small businesses. Expected earnings: $50, $150 per package, depending on length and complexity. Service 2, social media content bundles, text plus graphics. Description: businesses constantly need fresh social media content. You can provide engaging captions and unique graphics. ChatGPT Workflow. Prompt example. Generate 10 Instagram post captions for a boutique coffee shop promoting their new seasonal latte. Use emojis and relevant hashtags. Aim for an inviting, warm tone. MidJourney Workflow, based on captions. Prompt ChatGPT. Based on Instagram captions about a new seasonal latte for a coffee shop, generate 5 MidJourney prompts for visually appealing latte art and cozy cafe scenes. Think warm colors and inviting aesthetics. ChatGPT output examples. Close-up of a beautifully crafted pumpkin spice latte with intricate foam art, steam rising, cozy cafe lighting, bokeh background, photorealistic warm tones, R916, for reels or stories. Overhead shot of a rustic wooden table with a latte, a croissant, and an open book, autumn leaves scattered, hygge aesthetic, soft focus, natural light, R11. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, local business Facebook groups. Expected earnings: $75, $200 per bundle of 5-10 posts. Service 3, unique ebook or lead magnet covers. Description: authors and businesses need professional covers to attract readers for their digital products. ChatGPT Workflow. Prompt example. I'm writing an ebook titled The Mindful Entrepreneur, Stress-Free Success. Suggest 5 creative concepts for an ebook cover design. ChatGPT provides concepts. You choose one or combine elements. Prompt ChatGPT. Based on the concept of a minimalist design with a subtle lotus flower representing calm and a rising graph representing success, generate a detailed MidJourney prompt for an ebook cover. Specify colors and style. MidJourney Workflow, ChatGPT. Output examples. Ebook cover design for The Mindful Entrepreneur. Stress-free success. Minimalist style. A delicate lotus flower integrated with a subtle upward trending financial graph. Calm blues and greens, white background, clean typography, digital art. R2.3 platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, direct to authors/coaches. Expected earnings: $40 per cover. Service 4, product mockups and concepts for e-commerce. Description: e-commerce sellers need compelling visuals of their products, even before they exist. ChatGPT Workflow. Prompt example. I'm launching a new line of eco-friendly bamboo toothbrushes. Generate 3 compelling taglines and 5 ideas for product shots that highlight sustainability and natural elements. MidJourney Workflow. Prompt ChatGPT. Generate 3 MidJourney prompts for photorealistic product mock-ups of an eco-friendly bamboo toothbrush. Focus on natural settings, minimalist design, and highlighting its sustainability. Include scene details. ChatGPT output examples. A single eco-friendly bamboo toothbrush standing upright in a minimalist bathroom setting, next to a small potted plant, soft natural light, warm tones, photorealistic, sustainable product photography. R3.4. Close-up of a bamboo toothbrush head with water droplets on a smooth river stone, blurred green background, representing nature and cleanliness. Macro photography, high detail. R1 wall one. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Shopify store owners. Expected earnings: 60 to 180% of 3-5 mockups. Crafting winning prompts, the secret sauce. You've seen some examples, but let's talk about the art of prompting. This is where you elevate your results and stand out. For ChatGPT, be specific. Instead of write about dogs, try write a 300-word persuasive essay arguing why golden retrievers are the best family pets, targeting first-time dog owners. Define tone and style. Write a catchy social media caption, enthusiastic and playful, for a new ice cream flavor. Specify length/format. Generate 5 bullet points, or create a 2-paragraph introduction. Give examples. Write in the style of famous author-journalist. Iterate. If the first response isn't perfect, tell it what to improve. Make that more concise, or expand on point number 3. For MidJourney, be descriptive. Instead of picture of a cat, try a fluffy orange tabby cat, sleeping peacefully on a sunlit windowsill, surrounded by potted plants, cozy atmosphere, photorealistic soft lighting, 8K, R16.9. Specify style: digital painting, photorealistic, watercolor, cartoon, pixel art. Include mood atmosphere: serene, chaotic, futuristic, dreamlike. Add technical parameters: RXY, aspect ratio, 16.9 for wide, 916 for vertical, 1.1 for square. VX version, V6.0 for the latest and generally best version. SX, stylize, controls how artistic MidJourney is. S100 to S750, higher is more stylized. No object, negative prompt. No text to avoid text in images. Use ChatGPT to generate prompts. This is your biggest shortcut. Ask ChatGPT to create detailed MidJourney prompts based on your ideas. Time-saving workflows and automation tips. Time is money, especially for freelancers. Here's how to optimize your workflow with AI. Create prompt templates for recurring tasks, e.g. blog post outlines, social media sets. Save your best ChatGPT prompts in a document. Just fill in the blanks for each new client. Batch your work. Instead of doing one task at a time, gather all your content generation for the day and tackle it in batches. Generate all blog posts, then all images, etc. Leverage ChatGPT's memory. In a single chat session, ChatGPT remembers previous conversations. Use this to refine your prompts or build on previous ideas without starting over. Use MidJourney's remix function. If an image is almost perfect, you can remix it with slight prompt changes instead of generating from scratch. Utilize upscale and vary options. After MidJourney generates initial images, you can upscale the best ones for higher resolution and use the very strong or very subtle options to get slightly different versions without rewriting the prompt. Set clear client expectations. Be upfront about what AI tools you use, if comfortable, and the typical turnaround time. This builds trust and manages expectations. Where to sell your services, Fiverr and Upwork deep dive. So you've got the skills, you've got the workflow. Now, where do you find clients? Fiverr and Upwork are 2 of the biggest platforms for freelancers, and they're perfect for what you're offering. Fiverr, concept and gigs. You offer a specific service at a set price. Think of it like a menu. Strategy for AI services. Create highly specific gigs. I will write a 500-word SEO-friendly blog post with 2 AI-generated images. Use compelling gig images. You can even generate these with MidJourney for your own profile. Offer tiered packages, e.g. basic, standard, premium, for different levels of service and pricing. Focus on keywords in your gig title and description that clients would search for, e.g. AI content, MidJourney art, ChatGPT writing, why it works. Clients are often looking for quick, affordable solutions, and your AI efficiency allows you to be competitive while still making good money. Upwork. Concept: clients post jobs and freelancers submit proposals. More project-based. Strategy for AI services. Create a strong profile highlighting your AI proficiency and the specific services you offer. Search for jobs related to content writing, graphic design, social media management, ebook covers, etc. In your proposals, explain how you use AI to deliver high-quality, fast, and cost-effective results. Emphasize the value you provide, not just the tools. Start with smaller projects to build your reputation and get reviews. Why it works. You can bid on higher value projects and build long-term relationships with clients who need ongoing AI-assisted services. Don't forget to build a portfolio. Save your best AI-generated content and images. This is your proof of concept and will help you land clients. Earning potential in the 500+ week logic. Let's talk numbers. Can you really make 500+ a week? Absolutely. Here's the logic. Scenario 1. Blog post packages. If you charge $75 per blog post with images, you only need to complete 7 blog posts per week. $75 similar is $525. With AI, generating a 500-word blog post and 2 images can take as little as 1 to 2 hours once you're efficient. That's 7 to 14 hours of work for $5. Scenario 2. Mix and match services. Ebook covers at $70 each equals $1,403. Social media bundles at $100 each equals $3,001. Product mock-up set at $85 equals $85 total. $525. This diverse approach keeps things interesting and widens your client pool. These numbers are conservative. As you gain experience, positive reviews, and refine your skills, you can raise your prices significantly. Many freelancers are charging double or triple these rates for AI-assisted services. The key is volume and efficiency, both of which AI tools provide in spades. Your time investment is drastically reduced compared to traditional methods. The beauty of this approach is its accessibility. You don't need to be a coding wizard, an artist, or a professional writer. You just need curiosity, a willingness to learn, and the power of these incredible free AI tools. Start small, experiment, learn from each project, and most importantly, start today. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, and by getting in now, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a massive opportunity. Don't be afraid to try, to fail, and to iterate. Every prompt you write, every image you generate, brings you closer to mastering these tools and unlocking your full earning potential. If this video has sparked your interest and given you the confidence to start your AI-powered freelance journey, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more practical strategies, workflows, and insights on how to leverage AI to build income, make sure you subscribe to the AI Dollar right now and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll be diving deeper into other AI tools, advanced prompting techniques, and more ways to maximize your earnings. Share this video with another freelancer or solopreneur who needs to hear this. Let's empower more people to thrive in this new AI economy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.